Before 2014, India was struggling to find its place among the global economic powers. Unfortunately, during that period, a series of scams caused significant economic damage to the country, and the nation is still working towards recovery. It was a time when Congress-led governments, mired in corruption allegations, closed every door to making India economically self-reliant. However, in 2014, the country witnessed a change that laid the foundation for today's India. Under the leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi and the efforts of the BJP government, India's economy has now reached the 5th position globally. This journey wasn't easy, but the relentless pursuit with a single determination has brought about these results. In this budget, to strengthen the Make in India initiative, a national manufacturing mission has been announced for small, medium and large industries. This mission will empower the MSME sector. Additionally, a provision of 10 lakh credit cards with a limit up to 5 lakh rupees for micro enterprises has been introduced. Strengthening the MSME sector will strengthen a growth in exports. To accelerate the economy, 10,000 crore rupees will be provided to startups, empowering youth to become self-reliant while also creating employment opportunities. The government is focusing on enhancing the productivity, quality and competition in India's footwear and leather sector, boosting exports. Furthermore, a national action plan will be developed to turn India into toy hub. A provision of 20,000 crore rupees has been allocated for the nuclear energy mission. The top 50 tourist destinations in the country will also be revamped, leading to an increase in both domestic and international tourism. A revised Udan scheme has been proposed, offering common people the chance to fly, with 120 new destinations being added over the next 10 years, enabling 4 crore people to travel. This budget will serve as a significant milestone in strengthening the country's economy and realizing the vision of a developed India by 2047. It represents the leap that will establish India on the global map as a shining economic powerhouse in the years to come. Viksit Bharat 2047.